Croeso I Coleg Gwent. Welcome to Coleg Gwent. Here we are at our Torfaen Learning Zone located in the heart of Nghwmbrân, home to all post-16 education in the Torfaen borough. We've plenty of choice, with a huge range of A-level subjects to vocation qualifications, foundation degrees and part-time study options. Our brand new state-of-the-art facilities are situated next to Morrison's and can be easily accessed by bus, train and car. Enjoy modern classrooms, IT and science labs, theatre-style performance hall, music, media and art studios. It's also a fantastic and considered space if you have additional learning needs. There's something for everyone at Coleg Gwent and we'd love for you to join us. Take a look around using our 360 tour.